Imagine this. Approximately 1 in 10 adults globally are grappling with toenail fungus. That's right, this seemingly trivial condition, also known as onychomycosis, is a widespread issue. It's not just a cosmetic concern, but a matter of health too. Fungi find their way into our toenails through tiny cracks or cuts in the skin. Once inside, the warm, moist environment of our shoes becomes the perfect breeding ground. Dermatophytes, yeasts, molds, they all play their part in this fungal symphony. Now, prevention is where the real game is. Healthcare professionals emphasize the importance of keeping feet clean and dry. They advise choosing footwear that allows your feet to breathe, avoiding those tight, stuffy shoes that fungi love. Consider using antifungal powders or sprays as an extra line of defense. Good nail hygiene is crucial too. Trim those nails straight across and file down the edges to prevent any nasty fungal invasions. When you're in public spaces like pools or gyms, protect those toes. Fungi are opportunists, ready to seize any chance they get. But what happens when, despite your best efforts, you still find yourself with a case of toenail fungus? Don't despair. There are various treatments available to send those fungi packing. Over-the-counter and oral antifungal medications can be effective first-line treatments. Medicated nail creams can also help. For more stubborn cases, there's laser therapy and even surgical nail removal. There's a world of home remedies too, from tea tree oil to vinegar soaks. But remember, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional if the infection doesn't improve or gets worse. During treatment, the golden rules of prevention still apply. Keep those feet dry, disinfect your shoes and nail tools, wear breathable shoes, change your socks regularly. Good foot hygiene is your best ally in this battle. So, armed with knowledge and effective strategies, anyone can overcome toenail fungus and restore the health and beauty of their toenails. Don't wait for the fungi to strike first. Take action now. Prioritize your foot health and say goodbye to toenail fungus.